Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be looking at the Tassimo coffee system from Bosch. This is one of the machines in the range, the Joy. There's a few different versions that have slightly different features. In this video I'm going to run you through the features of the Tassimo system, make a drink for myself using this machine, show you some of the stuff on this machine and let you know my thoughts. Let's have a little run around the machine first. At the front you've got a drip tray, but you can also take that out if you want to put a bigger cup in there. The button that starts things off, the power on and off, and where you put the pods in. This has got a barcode reader, which reads a barcode on the pod. I'll show you that in a second. Around the back is the water tank, which has got a filter in it. Fill that from the tap, and then you put it back in there. This has also got in here a little disc, which is shaped like one of the pods, and that's a cleaning disc, so it allows you to run descaling tablets through. Put that back in there like that. On the top there is also a meter which times how long you've got on the filter. I generally ignore that though. The pods look like this, little round plastic with foil on top. They all have barcodes on them so the machine knows what to do with them. I tend to use Expresso Pods most of the time because with an Expresso Pod you can add more water to make an Americano, you can add milk to make it a latte, you can do everything. You can get specific latte pods where they have like milk pods, but I don't find they taste very nice. So I would highly recommend just going for Expresso Pods. These Law ones you can always get on Amazon for a really great deal. I think it works out like 25p a pod, which is far cheaper than getting a coffee from like a Costa or a Starbucks or something like that. And to be honest, the coffee is on a par with them. So, to make a coffee, we turn the machine on at the bottom right hand corner switch. That'll show you some lights. There's a light that shines if the water tank is empty. There's also another light that shines if it needs cleaning. Put a mug in, open up the top, put the pod in, barcode side down, close the lid, and then press the big button. And then it takes a few seconds and dispenses your coffee. Once it's done, the light will stop flashing, and then you can take your coffee. Cheers! Now, I'm by no means a coffee connoisseur. My wife tells me though that the coffee from the Tassimo, or at least the Law pods that we use, is definitely on a par with the likes of Costa and Starbucks. And if you think the average Costa costs you around £3, one of these costs you 25p, it's a no-brainer. The machine itself is really easy to clean. We've had this for about 6 months now, and we've only had to clean it once. Basically, you put 2 dissolvable tablets in the water tank, and then stick that orange disc that I showed you into the pod machine, and it runs the water through all the system, cleaning it all as it goes. I will put a link in the description below where I buy my coffee. You can buy it in bulk like this from Amazon. It's really the best way to go, and as long as you've got somewhere to store it, it lasts forever, so you can really get a good bargain. Thank you for watching my video. I do new videos all the time, home appliances, kitchen gadgets, that kind of thing, so hit subscribe to be notified of my latest videos, and I'll see you in the next one.